In the past 3 years, I got multiple requests from the audience to create a video of how I am creating my own YouTube videos. The reason that I didn't really want to do it so far is because I am not an authority in how to create videos. I don't know much about photography, I don't know much about editing videos, and I just don't know much about any of that. But people liked some of my videos and they requested me to help them in their journey of how to create their online presence, and therefore, of course, I will try to do my best and help you with this video. So in this video I will show you the equipment that I'm using, I will show you the software that I'm using to shoot those videos. I will do my best to give you some value, and hopefully it will help you to promote your business online using YouTube, which I can promise you it's an awesome investment. Let's begin. We're going to start our journey with the lighting. As you can see here, this is light number 1 and this guy is light number 2. Both of them are shooting on the green screen that is right behind me. Okay? So this is the green screen. Now, my chair is sitting right here. So this is my chair, this is light number 1, and all the way here, this is light number 2. Now both of them, those lights are in the same line as my chair, and therefore they are not shooting the light on me, they're shooting the light on the green screen that is behind me. The main concept of the green screen is that later on you can use a function in Adobe Premiere named Ultra Key, and it will filter the green behind you. So the idea is that everything that you see here behind me will get disappeared, and then it will create the effect that you will see me on the screen. Okay, so this is what we're trying to do. Next we have here 2 sets of light. So this is light number 1 and this is light number 2. Those 2 lights are critical because they are lighting me, so I will have some light. So those 2 dudes, this one and this one, are shooting on the green screen, and those 2 are shooting on me. Now those big boys, they look like they are powerful, but they are not. They are not powerful at all. They just, give smooth and soft light that are shooting on me. As for the audio, this is the Snowball. The Snowball cost about $60, something like that. And I have also in my other office, I have the Blue Yeti. The Blue Yeti cost about $300 and something dollars. Both of them, for what I am doing, is almost the same. So if you need to go with something, it will be probably the Snowball. It's not that expensive and it's doing a pretty good job. By the way, those guys, so this guy and this guy, both of them are LEDs and they cost around probably $500, the 2 of them. Those are pretty expensive. And those guys, those 2, each one of them is around $100. So you can expect $200 for those 2. Now, as for the green screen is a big point. The green screen that I have here is just a wall that I painted in chroma key. Chroma key is the name of the color, and the chroma key is very good for the green screen because you can easily filter it once it's lit properly. In my other office, I have on the ceiling, the green screen that it's just a pull down. You just pull it down all the way and then the entire wall is green. The reason that I have here this green screen is because in my office I can do whatever I want. So no one can tell me what to do here. I have my green screen here. I have lots of alcohol for my clients, which is very, very cool. And those are the things that I have in my office. In the other office, which is part of my house, I cannot do whatever I want because I also have family, right? So there they won't let me paint my wall in green, which I think it's a concern for most normal people out there. Next we have the software that I'm going to show you in a second, but before that I want to talk about the computer. I had to upgrade my computer. It cost me about $3,000 to have a nice computer that can do the magic that I want it to do. I don't know much about computers. I just know that it's expensive, but it's doing a fantastic job, and I can generate videos very, very fast and in a very efficient way. As for the software, as you can see here, Camtasia will be the first application that I'm using. It's being used to record my screen. So when I will have here some kind of a Zoho application or any application that I'm doing a demo or teaching about it, you will see the screen with the software. So this is part number one. This is being done by Camtasia. Whenever I'm finishing my work with Camtasia, I'm exporting the file, and then I will have one file that is the screen file, and I call it screen.mp4. That's it. Then you have the second piece, and the second piece is the video that's being produced by the M50, and the M50 is the camera that I am using, and it also has a shotgun on top of it. It's not that kind of shotgun, it's a different one. This microphone called shotgun, and it's a very, very good microphone to capture the audio around you. Okay, very, very good. I really recommend it. Now, from here, whenever I'm finishing to produce it, there is a memory card that is being pulled from here, and then I use it on my computer. And when it's in my computer, I have two files. File number one will be the screen that I just recorded, and file number two will be the M50, the camera that shot me. When I'm taking both of them, and let's take a different video. 1 second, let's save this guy. And let's go to Adobe Premiere. Where are you hiding, Mr. Adobe Premiere? Okay. So with the Adobe Premiere, I will grab both files, the screen and also my face. And then with both of them, I will create one video file. And you can see in a second the way that it really works. So first of all, when I have the screen, I will be able to have the green screen, and this is how it looks like. You see that I have the screen behind me, and when I am just sampling it with the Ultra key, the green screen is gone. And now you can see the background, and this is how it looks like I am in the office, while the reality I'm in my, I am in my office, but behind me there is just a green screen. There is no office behind me, okay? And this is just a picture that I bought from Shutterstock. It's not my office, okay, obviously. Now, if you check it out, there is file number one, and file number one is the background, and file number two is myself. And now you have file number one here, file number two is here. Now, when I'm doing my presentations, okay, I have the screen behind me, and the screen is also just a file. And as for me, I can make myself bigger, smaller, woo, crazy. And you can, of course, move yourself and so on and so on, and do whatever you want, okay? So this is how it works, and once those two are together, then you can produce one video, and this video is really what you see. The last piece that I want to show you is the outro or the intro. In order to create the outro or intro, you just need the designer. He's creating the background picture. So this is one thing. And the other thing is, when you're having your intro, you just need to have someone to produce it for you. It's a few $100 and you will get an intro. Very simple. You just need to know what you want. In general, I think that online presence is very, very cool. I think that without spending too much money, you will be able to promote your business. If As long as you know your topic, as long as you know what you're talking about, you can promote your business, give value to the audience. Do not think about what you can get from YouTube or from the audience or how to close deals. Just give them value. And over time, most of the people will be able to use your value and do it by themselves, and you get nothing from it. But there will be some people, they will consider you as an authority, and they will consider contacting you and get your advice or get your service, and therefore you will get more business. But you need to understand that the majority of the people that will go to your channel will like to consume content free of charge. They will not want to pay you anything for it, and it's cool. And if you're okay with this concept, you will have a great journey on YouTube. Okay? Thank you very much for watching this session. We'll see you in the next one.